Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the vehicle camera in Call of Duty Mobile. So let's say if you want to change the camera of the vehicle, all you have to do is pause the game if you're in a game, or if you're in the homepage, simply press the settings icon that appear on the top right corner. So since I'm in a game, find the settings icon in the top right corner, tap on it, and then select settings. And then from settings, scroll through this menu until you find the vehicle settings and tap on it. And then scroll down and find the vehicle camera. So there are three options. There's the semi-follow, there's the follow, and the free. So if you select semi-follow, this is what it looks like. So that's what semi-follow looks like. It will just ensure that it will follow you whenever you're going. So that's semi-follow. And then if you select follow, let's say for instance, if you choose follow, this is what it looks like. So there's not much difference between the semi-follow and follow, but you'll notice. So that's the follow. So that's the follow camera. And then now there's the last option, which is the free camera. So when you go back to vehicle settings and then the vehicle camera, there's free. So once you select that, you can literally choose any camera angle you prefer when you're driving a car or a motorcycle. So that's basically it on how to adjust the vehicle camera in Call of Duty Mobile. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.